Hello students, welcome to my channel. In my today's class, I am taking factorization of trinomials. Already in the previous classes, you have learnt what is factorization and how many methods are there in the factorization. Even those three methods also you understood how to factorize the given expression. Now this is today's topic is factorization of trinomials. Trinomials means there will be three terms. There will be three terms. You are getting the expression like x square plus px plus q. This is one general trinomial. You are going to get such a kind of trinomials. In this here, 1, 2, 3 terms are there. Here P means in place of P or the value of P, we get it as A plus B and Q will get it as A into B. What it is A plus B, A into B? Now you will understand. Now I am taking one example, then you can understand very easily. See, x square plus 6x plus 8. This is one trinomial. Here now 6 means it is in the place of P. A plus B. What it is? A and B are two numbers. Here when we have to take two numbers in this place. How they should be? When we add we have to get 6. When we multiply we have to get 8. Such numbers. Which are those some numbers? When we add we must get 6. Okay. 3, 3. 6 we will get, but 3 3s are not 8. It's 9. No. 6 1s are 6 plus 1, 7. No, it's wrong. Then what? 4 2s are. Yes, correct. See here. X square plus in place of 6 we have to write 4x plus 2x. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 2s are 8. This is what? Splitting of the given terms. Here we are splitting this term here and 8 as it is. I hope you understood. See, on addition we have to get this number. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 into 2 is 8. Now, as usual, see here, x is common. X plus 4. Here plus 2 is common. X plus 4. Now x plus 4 is common bracket. And then remaining is x plus 2. See now. When we factorize a trinomial, we get two binomial. Okay. When we factorize trinomial, we get two binomial. When we multiply two binomials, we get a trinomial. You know the expression x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into bracket x plus ab. That is a trinomial. See, when we factorize a trinomial, we get two binomials. When we multiply two binomials, we get a trinomial. So these two are reverse processes. Factorization of the expression and multiplication of the binomials. So this is what I hope you understood. Here this is general form. Px. P means what? A plus B. That means in place of P, when we add two numbers 4 plus 2, 6. 4 2s are 8. Q equal to A into B. Please remember this. How to split the numbers. Very very important. Then next example. So before this kind of examples, first let us learn how to splitting. How to split the numbers. Splitting we learn. See, one example I will take. AB equal to 9. A plus B equal to 6. Find A and B. See now, on multiplication we have to get 9. On addition we have to get 6. 3 and 3. See here. A into B is equal to what? 3 into 3 is equal to 9. A plus B is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. This implies that A equal to 3 and B equal to 3. Like this you have to find out. AB equal to 9. AB means A into B equal to 9. On multiplication of these two numbers we have to get 9. Then which are those numbers? 3 ones are means 3 will come. 3 twos are 6 will come. 3 threes are okay 9. Then what is the addition of those two? 3 plus 3? 6 only. That only we wanted. So A equal to 3, B equal to 3. So this is what is splitting. First you must become thorough in this splitting. Then such kind of problems or factorization is easy for you. Then one more we solve. Then we can go for the exercise. See, xy equal to minus 8. X plus y equal to minus 2. See here, minus sign. On multiplication of two numbers, we have to get minus 8. That means one number should be minus, one number should be plus. Okay. Then 4 and 2. Okay. 4 2s are 8. So in that we have to take which number minus? Bigger number we have to take it as minus, because here minus 2 is there. Suppose bigger number plus and smaller number minus means 4 minus 2 plus 2 will come. See here, x into y what we will take? X into y is equal to 4 into or minus 4 into 2 is equal to minus 8. This is correct. In the same way, x plus y is equal to, in place of x what we have to write? Minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Like this we have to assume. Suppose here if we take plus 4. Plus 4 minus 2 means okay minus 8 only we will get. But here plus 4 minus 2. See here plus 4 minus 2 means we will get here plus 2. But what we have to get here? We have to get here minus 2. So we have to take minus 2 and plus 2 here. Then we will get minus 2. This implies that x equal to minus 4 and y equal to 2. These are the numbers that we have to find out to split the given numbers. If you have become perfect in this splitting, then these problems are very, very easy for you. So now let me solve exercise 4.2. Okay students, now I solve the exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. See, in the first main, determine P and Q. First main, we have to determine P and Q. Determine P and Q. Just now I solved the same. In that, the first one is PQ equal to 18 and P plus Q equal to 11. See here children, on multiplication of two numbers we have to get 18. On addition of those two numbers only we have to get 11. See 18 means 3 6s are okay, 6 3s are same only both. 2 9s are yes, 2 9s are 18, 2 plus 9 11, correct. So P into Q is equal to 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Then P plus Q is equal to 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. See, on multiplication of two numbers 18, on addition of those two numbers only 11. Okay, this is correct. This implies that P is equal to 2, Q is equal to 9. This is what the method of finding the numbers by splitting them. Okay. Then see second one, PQ equal to 32. PQ equal to 32 and P plus Q equal to and P plus Q is equal to minus 12. See, on multiplication 32, on addition minus 12. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32 plus here this minus. Then what kind of numbers we have to take? P into Q is equal to minus 8 into minus 4. See, this is nothing but minus into minus plus. Okay, 32 we got. In the same way, P plus Q, same numbers. Here see, minus 8 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 12. Same we got. This implies that P is equal to minus 8 and Q is equal to minus 4. So in this way we can solve all the remaining problems. So then let me start the second main, that is factorize. In that, see, first one is x square plus 6x plus 8. See here, on adding we have to get 6. On multiplication of those two numbers we have to get 8. Which are those numbers? 4 2s are 8, 4 plus 2, 6. So now we have to split this number 4x plus 2x plus 8. How? 4 2s are 8, 4 plus 2, 6. Like this we have to split. Splitting is important here, along with the sign. Splitting is important. So now in this, see, x is common here. X plus 4. Then 2 is common. X plus 4. How? 2 4s are 8. See, one thing you have to observe here. Both of the brackets should be same here. Whenever you factorize, these both brackets should be same. Then, so that we can take one common bracket. X plus 4 is common. Here, x plus 2. This is what factorization of this expression. Then, second one is x square plus 4x. X square plus 4x plus 3. See here, how to split it? X square, 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So, 3x plus x plus 3. See, in this x is common. If you are taking one x here, one x remains. X is already taken here, plus 3. Here x plus 3 is there. So, plus 1 we have to take it as common. Because x plus 3 we want in the bracket. And among these two, 1 is only common. 1 is common factor for all the terms. Already I explained it. So here also 1 is there, here also 1. No common factors in this. So 1 is common means x plus 3 remains as it is. See, now you have to observe these two brackets should be same. Now x plus 3, x plus 1 are the factors of this expression. This is second one. Now third, a square plus 5a. A square plus 5a plus 6. See here, 3 2s are 6, 3 plus 2, 5. A square plus 3a plus 2a plus 6. Here, in this a is common, a plus 3 remain, plus 2 is common, a plus 3. See, you have to observe. You have to adjust so that this bracket should be common. So, a plus 3 is common among two, then a plus 2 is another bracket. See, just by seeing these two only we can understand. 3 2s are 6, plus 3 plus 2 plus 5a. This is what a factorization. Then, fourth one, a square minus 4a, a square minus 5a plus 6. you have to observe here. On subtraction we have to get here minus 5. And on multiplication we have to get here plus 6. So here we have to take a square minus 3a minus 2a plus 6. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Minus 3 plus minus 2 plus minus 5. So a is common, a minus 3. Minus 2 is common, a minus 3. So a minus 3 is common, then a minus 2. In the same way, fifth one, a square minus 3a minus 40. See here, on subtraction we have to get minus 3. Then on multiplication we have to get minus 40. Then what numbers? 8 5s are 40. 8 minus 5 is 3. But what number should be minus here? Bigger number should be minus. A square minus 8a plus 5a minus 40. A is common. A minus 8 plus 5 is common. A minus 8. 5 8s are 40. So a minus 8, a plus 5. These are the factors. In the same way, last one is there. That is sixth one. X square minus x minus 72. On subtraction we have to get here minus 1. Multiplication minus 72. 9 8s are 72. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then bigger number, see, x square minus 9x plus 8x minus 72. X is common, x minus 9 plus 8 is common, x minus 9. So x minus 9, x plus 8 are the factors. Last में, first one you will do, very easy it is, but still I will do it. Factorize. See, first one, x square plus 14x plus 49. See, 7 7s are 49. 7 plus 7, 14. So, x square plus 7x plus 7x plus 49. X is common, x plus 7 plus 7 is common, x plus 7. So here x plus 7, that is x plus 7 whole square. Then in the same way, second one, 4x square plus 4x plus 1. See here, this is little bit different. How to do it in such a type of problems? Here coefficient is there, 4 is there, no? You have to multiply these two, 4 ones are 4. That means on multiplication we have to get 4. On addition we have to get 4x. On multiplication 4, on addition 4 means 2 2s are 4. 2 plus 2, 4. So 4x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 1 as it is only. So 2x is common, 2x plus 1 plus 1 is common, 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, that is 2x plus 1 whole square. So this is what third main I have done too. Remaining all I think you can try and get all those answers. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.